You don't have to pose all the way to the low. Good. So I would walk down there a little bit with her, and she'll probably zoom past you. Yep, just like that. There. Nice. So that was kind of a sort of an alert, but you just needed to be closer for her to fully alert. Oh, you smarty pants. Good girl. Good girl. So she did not go as far as the fan. She stopped and slowed herself down, so she stayed in the outer cone. That was nice. Yeah, you could see her. She's like, oh, gotta slow down.
Where else?
Good, and you may need to walk towards the threshold of the kitchen. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Yep, that's the only owner in here. There you go. There you go. She just won't know this room's in play.
Yeah.
Ooh, hook, line, and sinker. Beautiful.
Yes,
good girl. Wow.
Someone's on it tonight, huh?
That they are.
Good girl, Wayne. Good job. Good girl. Where else? Good girl. Good girl. Where else?
Good, and this is the one that's going out a little bit towards the threshold.
Oh, I see it. I see the tin right now.
No, there's not one over there.
No.
Oh, there, that one. Yes, sorry. I thought you were looking that way.
Yeah. I like it when I can see it because I know
Yeah.
exactly where.
Right, right.
I'm not.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Okay, where else?
So I might make a move towards the being on the hardwood, unless she's going to. There we go.
Yes.
Perfect. Good
job.
girl. You could hear that nose on that one.
Girl. Good job, Rain.
Good job. Super.